we need to edit our title turn to games by category and adjust the sign of font, bold, color and make it center. And then we need to rename games by category in column bar chart to replace sheet 6. And after that, we need to put tables category at columns and price at row. Just drag it like that. And then we need to press label at here to adjust the alignment to make it at middle center. And just drag the category just like this. And we need to adjust the entire view. Please after that save it games by category in the column TWBX star.
First of all, change the name to 5-star ratings by category, add size of fonts and center the word. And also change the color. Apply and the title will be displayed. Also, rename the sheet title below the dashboard. After that, drag 5-star ratings data to rows and drag category data to columns. Find the pack bubble template and change the standard to entire view to see clearly. Lastly, save it with TPWX type of file. The other one, same as well. I change the name first as price of games title. I add size of font, center the word and change the color. I apply and the title display. Also, I rename the sheet name at the bottom to price of games title. And after that, I drag price data to rows and drag category to columns. And then, I apply tree map to dashboard and put the price data in the label to show. I change the standard to entire view before save it with TBWX type.
Alright, first I will go over to my data pane on the left. I can see all my dimensions and measures here, and the one I need are total ratings and category. So I'm just going to highlight both total ratings and category. And after choose the tree map, a chart automatically created showing the total sum up of ratings by each category. Finally, let's add actual numbers by dragging the total ratings from the pane and drop it directly on the label marks on the marks tab. Now we have a tree map chart showing that game action has the dominant category of total user ratings, followed by the game casual and game strategy. To build this chart, I have dragged category to row shelf to organize data by game genre. Then I have placed 5-star ratings and 1-star ratings onto the column shelf, which creates an overlap bar chart. This resulting chart gives us a clear comparison, which is categories like game action and game arcade has a very high volume of 5-star ratings compared to their 1-star ratings.
So for the next sheet, we will make the combination chart with title group, TTBs and group CCBs by category. So, firstly, we put the category into a column and then we put the group TTBs and group CCBs into the row. After that, we make them as a dual axis. On the group 30 days, we will make it as a bar type, while for the group 60 days, we will make it as the line type. And then the combination chart will be completed. For the next sheet, it will be renamed as a total rating by category by bar chart. Firstly, we drag the category into the column and total rating to the row. It is an optional to filter the category of game, but from this I only selected category of games. The color of bar chart also can be changed by select the color of the mark section. Then show the header and the label mark. So, total rating by category by bar chart is completed.
I will start with the growth 30 days and growth 60 days by category combination chart. Next, I will add the total ratings by category bar chart to get a high level view of volume. Then, I will add 5-star ratings by category pack bar chart to see quality perception. And the total ratings by category tree map chart to understand revenue potential. To add a layer of insight, I have placed 5-star rating versus 1-star ratings overlap bar chart. This will help to compare high and low ratings. Now, I'm arranging these charts for logical and resizing them for clarity and balance.
So lastly, for the story, we make an analysis on the Android game. So firstly, to create the story, we drag the dashboard panel into our story sheet. And then we describe it at the top. Then, for the second story, we drag the 5-star ratings by category into our story sheet and then describe it again at the top. Then for the third story, we drag panel of growth for 30 days and growth for 60 days into our story sheet and then describe it again at the top. So to summarize our group analysis, we conclude that game actions such as PUBG and Mobile Legends rank as first Android games because they are being loved by young generation nowadays. So thank you.